Hi everyone, long time no see. Yes, we didn't spoke a lot. I didn't came up with a lot of videos, but today I'm gonna try to do a thing that I didn't saw it on the YouTube, but I'll try to do myself based on the how it's done with the left wheel hand drive. Today is the right wheel hand drive, Renault Megane free. It's my wife's car, and I'll try to change his, let's say, air filter, and as well to clean it, to clean all the air conditioning system, because it started to smell, and I do suppose because it's not so easy to change the air filter, nobody did it until now. So I just bought basically some specific things. So I bought this Renault Group air filter. You can see the number here in case you want it for the future, and as well I bought some air conditioning cleaner like the 9981 from the Saint Fineco, Germany. Yep, if you need it you can find it, I think, in your stores. I'll tell you how it goes. It's a chemical cleaning. I'll let you know all about all the procedures. Oops, just in case I took 2 cans to have enough of it. And as well, in the meantime, this is the car. This is the Renault Megane of my wife that I will definitely make a review about it. Here you go. So in order to start, basically you need to have the right screwdriver. This is the CRV T20. It's like, it looks like this. And in order to change the air conditioning, the air filter, you need to go here. Oh my gosh, here, and to unscrew, you see these screws that are going up, like, my gosh, let me try to find it, like here. One is here, that it's still on the spot, and another one, it's right here, it should be, but it's not there. So after screwing it out, I'll let you know. If you are new to Victoria's Reviews, I do car reviews, 0 to 100 race, some drag race, and lately a lot of messing around. So subscribe and hit the notification bell. The screwdriver was taken out. Now this plastic thing, I need just to take it out. So the air filter cover that was sitting right like this is out. Now I just need to take out the filter itself. You go like this, and here you go, you see the filter. Basically I need to take it out from there. This is how the air filter looks. It doesn't look bad, but we need to change it because the smell, and as well to clean the air conditioning in the car. As you can see, here is the evaporator, and the can is saying that we should spray 2/3 of the can directly on the evaporator, the remaining one through the vent. So let's do it. So this is what we're gonna spray. Is this thing, basically it's a lot of white thing. So let's do it. Now as well I'm pushing it through the vents on all of them. Now we wait for 20 minutes as it was written there. So in 20 minutes we we'll start the air conditioning for the heating. We'll let it run until it will be dry, and after that, like I installed the cabin filter.
A few moments later.
Now we turn on the car, as I did it already, and you put the heat up at the maximum, like the high. In the meanwhile, you just wait. Now it's time to install the filter. So basically, you take the filter from the Renault Group. Here you go, again. You see the number, maybe you need it. So here you have the information about the airflow, and it's totally different from what I had before. It's not wibbling and it's more sturdy, so definitely it's a go. So when you put it like this. What does it mean? So if to see it, like, I need to put it there, yes, so it will stay like this with the airflow to this direction. And you see the steering wheel like this, so, or like this, like basically how you need to put it, but it will be like that. So let's start little by little. to insert it like there, here. God help me out. So I managed somehow to put it there, but it wasn't easy, and I don't know who constructed and think about that. Oh my gosh, they need to be fired. Now we need to put this beautiful cover back and to screw back that screw. Actually it went easy here, you see. Oh well, so just to put one screwdriver there because I don't have the second one. It's finished and I'm all wet. So guys, even if I'm wet, but see you soon. Soon I'm gonna do the review of the Renault Megane that we own for around 1 year, and it's a genial car basically. It's a really good car and I like it, and I would let you know why. My wife even, she'll tell it because she's driving it often, but I really like it. There's some downsides of course, but still it's a good car. And after we'll consider the Suzuki SX4 and we continue from there, just to coming back in full power with a lot of reviews of different cars and DIY that you can do home.